Hello.
Hi there.
Welcome to another daily Vlogmas.
Or bi-daily Vlogmas.
Or every 3 day Vlogmas, whatever you want to call it right now.
It certainly isn't daily because we
No.
haven't got the time and the hang of getting it done daily. So
No, and health issues, like mental health issues, stuff like that get in the way as well, so hey ho.
So today will again be 2 days in one.
Yep.
We'll do the 16th and the 17th.
So I think we'll do both from each of the calendars at a time.
Yeah, like we did the other day. Who's going first?
I'll go first. So the first one I have is the Advent Calendar Game and Puzzle. So let's see what we've got. Oh, that door's just come open. So there's the 17th, just need to find the 16th. So approaching the end, aren't we? We're getting close to the end. It's almost Christmas. Oh, little Anna. And then the little puzzle pieces for the board, which again, as we've said before, we will show you at the end when we've finished unboxing. We'll put it all together. 17th. Little Minnie Mouse. How cute is she? And again, yet again, 2 more puzzle pieces. Okay, is that one done?
My first one is the mini Funko Disney. Easy to find because they're in the right order. So 16.
Oh.
Can't get my big fingers in that easily. You got 16 there. And 17. No, there.
Cool.
So 16.
We have scissors at the ready, we have learnt.
Oh, little
Minnie
Mouse in a little dress, little green outfit.
Cute. Doesn't come with a stand, does it? No.
I did wonder.
Yeah, I wonder because I thought I saw a hole in the bottom of her foot. Oh no, it's not.
17. Oh, Pluto!
He's cute.
He's a little cutie.
Not Christmas related, but still cute.
Yeah, he hasn't got any sort of Christmas decoration or something.
But yeah, we've had a few like that.
Yeah.
Cool. Next is the Super Mario one, which, if you've been watching, is not easy to open. So let's see how well we do.
Some of these are very hard to get out.
So there's 17th again. Why can I find the 17 easier than any others? Oh, it's a little bob-omb.
Oh,
Let's see if I can get it out. So there's the little bob-omb. There's a little wind-up bit on the back. My hand's stuck in the box. Let's open 17 now. Hopefully this one's a bit easier to open. Hello? I opened from that side, that's why. It's another question mark block. We've had one of these before and they're difficult to get out, so bear with me. And there's the question mark box. We've got 2 of those now.
Which leaves me with the Christmas rubber duckies.
Yay.
So number 60, yeah. No, built for adults, because infants can play with it as well. Get in there. You see a lot of white.
Oh.
There we are, a little white one with his scarf and hat.
It's been squished at the back slightly. Yeah, doesn't matter. Don't know where we're putting these yet.
And 17. There's a bow around his neck.
Oh,
Green bow with something black on it. See?
Random.
Got a Christmas hat at least, so it makes it Christmassy.
Yeah.
I see a red blemish on that side of his face, but there we go.
Yeah, I know. They're not the best quality, but they're still not bad.
It's still quite fun and cute.
Yeah.
So there, that's 2 days in one. If you enjoyed this and want to see the rest of the calendar, please follow along.
Bye.